This video is going to demonstrate an alternative wound bandage in which reusable material can be used. Here you can see that we have already placed our wound dressing over our area of the wound of the cannon bone with our talfa pad and cling. And next we're going to now use a reusable material called cotton quilt wrap. So we're going to place this over the wound just as we would a disposable cotton wrap, but this allows us to be able to reuse this and oftentimes help reduce the cost of the bandaging and care of the wound. So here you can see the quilted cotton wrap is placed over the distal limb. Again, being careful to place it in the proper direction. Again, we're going to then work this from front to back, looking at it from the side. Now, once we've got our quilted wrap in place, we're going to secure this with what's referred to as a track wrap. This is a fairly non-elastic type of wrap commonly used on sport horses to secure this padded material onto the limb. We're being careful to place this without any wrinkles on, and also not to go over the bottom and top of our padded quilted wrap. Once you have worked your way to the bottom, we're going to move up to the top, overlapping the bandage, this track wrap approximately half of its width. This allows you to give a nice secure bandage. You can see we do place some tension on this. This allows the bandage material to conform the leg and stay secured to the limb. We're going to continue wrapping this over our quilted wrap until the entire track wrap is used. Again, take note that the top and bottom of the quilted wrap is exposed. This prevents any of the track wrap from getting onto the skin and potentially causing some constriction problems. The track wrap can be used without padded material underneath it, although less tension is applied, and you have to be careful that it is placed on with absolutely no wrinkles. Now, the track wraps come with a Velcro adhesive on the end to secure it in place, but it's always a good idea to use a strip of white medical tape over top of it. This will secure the end more on the bandage to keep it from coming loose. Though we will not demonstrate it in this video, but if this was being a wound bandage, we will seal the top and bottom of the bandage with elasticon tape, with half the tape being placed on the bandage and on the skin to prevent any debris from getting into our wound.